I can't fish like this. Oh, there's a frigging fish! Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Look at that beautiful crappie.
I watched him sniff that one. Tell you what, was I throwing that like salt sucker off the dango tree.
What's going on, guys? Bassin' and Moffat here, coming at you with a new video for this week. In this week's video, we're going to do a little wintertime crappie fishing. And as you can see here, kind of got our little broken hand here. Yeah, I was kind of dumb and decided to get mad and hit something. And yeah, little advice, don't do that. Not a good idea, because you can end up with a broken hand like my dumb butt did. But anyway, in this video, we're going to do a little wintertime crappie fishing. Just fishing with some little simple hair jigs under floats. Nothing fancy. I will go over that at the end of the video and show you the little setup and everything that we were using. But I'm trying to fish opposite-handed and with a broken hand. So without further ado, let's get into this video and let's see the crappie that we catch and see the fun that we go throughout the day. So here you go. Well, guys, we're trying to give it our best go with a broken hand here. Trying to fish left-handed now. Doing a right-hand retrieve. Feels awfully weird.
There you go. Go horse up. What the hell are you doing? Big crappie. That's a crab. What is it? There's a crab. That's a big crappie. Get him up. Pick him up. Use the rod. Pick him up with the rod. Yeah. Push him hard. Don't push him hard.
Heck yeah, that's a big crappie. Yeah, Lauren hooked up with a nice sized crappie.
That's right.
Woo, there we go.
Not too shabby. It's the first time I threw it right past that bamboo stick. And he smashed it.
That's a big black one.
He's a big boy.
Yeah, that's a big black one. Yeah, it is. That's a black one.
Heck yeah.
That's a small one.
Is this a Lake Mead?
Yep.
That's what I thought.
Yep, that's Lake Mead crappie right
Well,
there.
I found them.
Where are they at on that side?
They're to the right of that bamboo stick. Let me get them back in.
Put them back in there.
Mwah.
There he goes. Now James is going to catch one.
That's pretty color on it.
Mm-hmm. Especially in this freaking wind. Man, this is a pain in the butt.
Big crappie. Oh my God, that's a big crappie.
Ooh, James hooked up with a nice crappie. Look at that fat one.
Big old fat daddy. Big old
Yeah,
slab
buddy.
knocker. Oh yeah. Got the good old pinky in it.
Big old slab on a pink and white shad dart.
That's a hooked out custom made special right there.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Look at that beautiful crappie.
Yep. Big old slab knocker.
Mother. Oh my God.
Like that cat. See, I put that bitch right underneath that? Yeah. That's freaking hilarious. Yeah, I was just
smartest skill.
Oh, this is such a bad day.
Oh, I'm out. 20 minutes.
Oh no!
Same.
Oh God, hang on.
Here we go. Alright, you're good over there.
Yeah, but the crappie probably ain't there.
Huh?
Crappie probably ain't there.
Oh no!
No.
Oh no!
You get with that.
I don't want to pull it too much further.
I'll put
And
that.
now you're in, are you in the cat eyes? What's going on?
Probably.
Hang on.
Yeah, he's in the cat eyes.
What you got going on here?
There's my.
Good?
Hey, do you
Let
want
me
to
get
get
it?
this thing out of the cat eyes?
She can hold it, maybe.
Well, your setup's still here.
That's good. I'm a little titty dude. That's setting up my rod.
There we go. I got it. There it is.
Hey. There we go.
There we go. I got the other part.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Golden.
I can't fish like this. Oh, there's a frigging fish!
Oh no!
I'm whining and complaining I can't fish like this, and I freaking get a fish.
You're good. Oh my gosh, we're in a cluster. Be careful. Hi, I might need your assistance out here. Here, you get yours.
I'll get it.
The hunter's hooked up here.
Okay, so yours is literally, if you just go where your bobber's at, it looks like it's right there.
Hers is on this side.
Yeah, it's right.
I don't know how we made it to that,
Everybody be careful, nobody go in the drink. It looks like it's just like, yeah, twisted. Now, I have no clue where I'm at right now.
Give me the damn rod.
Oh,
Right here.
Right there. Yeah, he should be able to get pretty nice and easy.
It's still recording.
Hopefully.
It's flashing red. That means it's recording?
Yep.
Alright.
Little crappie, nothing compared to the ones that Lauren and James got, but decent little start to the day, especially with having a screwed up hand.
Hello, black crappie.
Let this little guy go.
Oh, he went right up
Right
under
under
that.
the weed.
Right under the weed.
James hooked up with a little guy.
That is a hated chip right there.
That is a little bitty guy.
That is the smallest crappie I've ever seen.
Hey, he's so cute.
You put him back on for bass bait.
He's so tiny. He's the cutest little thing I ever. Oh, he's a cute little sucker. Oh. Mm-hmm.
That's one of their babies.
That was one that was born in here. I didn't put shit in there like that.
Take the hook on it. Trying to get it fly out of the water. You need to go break their tire.
Oh, look at that sucker.
Where's your bob?
Is the fish still on?
Oh yeah. There it is.
That's one of them big ass bluegills.
Oh boy, that is a big old bill. Big old gill.
That's a baby. That's not the big one.
Nah, there's bigger ones than that. That gill smashed it though.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yee, big
Big
old
hand
hand-sized
size.
gill.
Big hand size guy. I doubt that. Now, the only chance you got to catch a 6-pound fuck crap is Adam.
Woo, baby.
Ah, found the boy.
Another big old boy.
Big black. Big old black crappie.
Who's freaking Carver and Shane over at Kedora's?
Straight in towards crappie.
Oh, he came off.
It was a bluegill. Damn bluegill. What the hell?
I still remember when I missed that big one, babe.
He sniffed it. He freaking sniffed it. That's bluegill. Guaranteed. He's zigzagging like that. Oh yeah.
That's a big old bluegill. We're sinking the dock a little bit.
Oh yeah. That's typical.
Hey, your feet are getting wet.
Huh?
Your feet are getting wet.
I got Gore-Tex. I'll be alright. I knew it was a big old freaking bluegill. I watched him sniff that one. He came up and sucked on that like a salt sucker off a dango tree.
Well guys, that's going to about conclude it here for the little trip to the pond, catching some crappies. Tore them up. James probably tore the most up today and caught probably the biggest too. I had fun trying to fish wrong-handed for me, and with a broken hand, that was pretty interesting, so I'm happy I even caught one. And Sean, he didn't catch any, but he's just happy to be out. Lauren even got a nice crappie. But show you the little setup here. Can you hold that winch? This is a little setup we were running today. Little bobber, about 2 foot up, with a little shad dart, pink and white, that James here made. Hook jaw custom baits. And I had mine tipped with a little bitty power worm on the back. But that's about going to conclude it for this one. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you guys.